So over here you can see that I have some elements, and if I want to, let's say for example, change out the color of the elements, then I can use the theme option. So for that I'm going to go to theme and layout right here, and I can go around onto theme and select out a dark color, let's say for example, and everything else changes. But if you want certain things, like let's say if you want the table to remain as it is, then you can go around onto the style for that particular table, and then here you can choose the table color. So let me just go around and choose white for this, and then I'm going to go around and choose white for this as well. And let me just go around and choose white for everything right here for this particular table. And then I'm going to go around onto let's say I don't want row numbers. I'm going to go around and wrap the text, and horizontal scaling is going to be here. So you can see that you can change around the colors for that particular thing. So I'm going to go around onto the label and change around the color right here, change around the color for this one as well. So on the footer, you can see that this is what you have. So let me just change this around to white as well. So let me just go around, choose white for this right here, and then I'm going to go around right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that you can go around and change around the colors just like this. So now even if the theme is dark, you can see that this part is white right here. So if I were to go around onto the theme and layout over here, you can see that this is what you have. If I were to go around and select a different theme, you can see that this remains as it is. You can go around right here, you can go around right here, you can go around over here on the dark. Everything else changes, but you can see that the colors and everything else for this particular table remains the same because we changed its individual style right here, as you can see. And that is how you can override the theme colors, and then override the theme colors, and then keep certain elements as it is, even if you apply the theme inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.